Well, hello again, my fellow modelers. So, I kind of screwed up. This is the 65 Corvette, and I thought I was going to be able to just kind of do a nice little line right along the edges, and it turned out like crap. I should have taped it, and I got lazy and thought I could just do it by hand, and way too much paint came out of the marker. I was using one of these ones right here, which normally work pretty well, but this time it did not. What I was doing was just trying to, I thought I could just kind of go along the edge like this and just kind of put a nice little roll down and just nice little line, and it did not work at all. So then I was like, okay, I'll just take it off. And so I started taking it off with some mineral spirits, and unfortunately the paint is so thin on this that you can see right here, it started taking off the paint. So I stopped. This side's not as bad, but so my plan now, I thought I was gonna have to repaint it, but I think what I can do is I've got these decals right here from, I believe it was the emergency van model kit. And even though it's gold, I think that gold is gonna go really well with the blue, just like that. And that should cover up all of it. And that way I won't have to repaint it, and I could save this paint. So I really did not want to repaint this because it's kind of an old color, kind of faded. I did shine it up, bring it back a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for the girls we date. So there we go. And there's that. There's the hood. So, and what I also found out just doing some research, so this is a 65. What also came in the bag that one was in is the 66. And this one has had the bottom cut off here, and then these side pipes go on it. So this top was actually meant for this model. This is the kit that it came in, and I kind of like it. I like the hot rod look that it's got going on. And then, so what I think I'll do with the 65 is I'll put more of a stock hood on, or sorry, not hood, but top on, or I could go with a convertible, which kind of looks cool too. Let me know in the comments what you think is best, which one you like the best. I'm kind of leaning towards this convertible one. And mainly because the paint on this top doesn't match exactly with the body. It looks a little like it was painted at a different time, or I'm not really sure. But so, and then back to this guy. So the main reason I didn't use this one was because the top was broken off, but I did find the piece for it along here, so I could easily glue that back on. But the biggest problem I'm going to have is the wing window. The little parts here are broken off, so I'll have the A-pillar, but I don't have this little wing window piece. So what I'm thinking is I'll just add that back on, and then maybe, you know, I'll put a little strip here, or I might even just paint the glass and just have it, you know, chrome, so like a wing window is. So I'm hoping that will work. So yeah, so that's the direction I'm going. I'll have an update here in a little while, next couple days hopefully, but I think that's the direction I'm going to go, and we'll see how it turns out. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the comments. Thank you. If you've subscribed, if you haven't, please subscribe. It helps us a lot. Check out some of my other channels I have listed of other people. There's some great channels out there, and I will see you soon. Thank you a lot.